in this part, we're going to focus on the third tab, which is the sales tab. And the sales tab will be very close to our receiving tab, although it has some different elements. All right. So what we will do is first to copy the receive tab. Here we are. We copy it. We make a duplicate of it and move it to the end. We'll call this our sales tab. And in our sales tab, we will have a few adjustments. First of all, we will not have package size, and we don't have most of these items here. All right. So let's delete all of these. With the exception of the date. The date will become important, as the date will be a part of it. However, the stock keeping unit and the description should be maintained. Let's insert here a new one, and once we insert this here, we'll start to work on the following, which is the quantity sold per item. Yes, no, quantity item sold. And the reason why it's the item and not the pack, we were talking here about the unit, is basically this, because you're probably not selling the entire box unless you're a wholesaler. But if you're not a wholesaler but just a retail company, you probably sell per can or per pack. So there are one item at a time. So that's what we're going to do here. So this is item sold. Yes. Then what we have, and that's the next one, is the price per item. So how much is the price? So here will be price per item. And finally, it will be here. Oh, no, sorry. Finally, here we insert another one, and this will be the total sales. Total sales, or the total revenue. So how will we calculate this? Well, this maintains here, and then here we put in the amount of items sold. Let's say we sold 2 Coca-Cola cans, and we sold 1 bottle of water. And the price of this item, this one is $1, and the other one is $1.50, and etc. etc. So we can make here up all the numbers. Say here this is 2 sold, and maybe this was in a normal regular rate, it's 150, and I'm just going to make up some items here, 3, 4, 5. All right. So these are manually inserted because you control the price of the item sold and the quantity. So you have to record them. So what we will do here is we will adjust the color, giving it a no-fill color. And here the total sales will be a formula, which is the quantity or the item sold multiplied by the price of it. And we will just, well, first of all, I will just drag these, all right. And then what we will do here is indicate that this is a financial value. Once we have this, we can copy this here, or you can put in any other one, it does not matter. This is basically the date. And this is basically now the third tab. In the fourth tab, we'll start to combine them together.